y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Demiya. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 6 pairs of lashes that I picked up today. I figured I would do a lash haul. I've been sitting on this video idea for like over a year probably. All of the lashes that I picked up are $5 and under. They're pretty inexpensive. They won't break your pockets or nothing. The first pair of lashes that I have are these I Envy C-Curl lashes in the style 03, which is what I have on now. So obviously I'm not gonna try on these C-Curl because I already have them on. These look like mink lashes to me, like individual lashes. I love these. So yeah, like the packaging says, I could wear this with a natural look or a really dramatic look. Next, I'm gonna try out the J Curl. So this is the 02 style. Y'all, I think I just mixed these lashes up. So I don't know if I'm putting it on the right eye, but they look about even on both sides. So, oh yeah, I like these. Okay, so these, like, of course, give me the same vibes as the other ones, but a little bit more relaxed. I like these. Now these I will wear with the natural bead. Yeah, I'm feeling them. How do y'all like them? They're less glamorous, but still, you know, nice and classic. These look like a classic set of lashes. And the other ones look like a hybrid set of lashes, I think. On to the next, on to the next. It's giving Nicki Mo rat. Cute Nicki Mo rat. The last one I'm gonna do from this I Envy collection is L Curl in the style 1. And these are nice and short, as y'all can see. They kind of look like the C-Curl to me, just less dramatic. I haven't worn a lash this short in I don't know how long. These are definitely perfect for everyday wear. They look like if I would put on mascara, honestly. Heavy mascara. But would I buy them again? I don't think so. They're cool for everyday wear, but if I'm gonna wear some lashes, I'm gonna wear some lashes. You feel me? They don't give enough projection from the side for me. The next one that I'm gonna use is Charlotte. These are 3D faux mink lashes by the brand Blackpink. These are nice and simple and flirty. I like these. My sisters put me on. Because when I first saw them, I was like, these look too thin. Like, what am I gonna do with this? They look so thin to me, but when I tried them on, I saw why they liked them so much. I just feel real girly when I have these on. All right, y'all, we get into the home stretch. These are in the style M301. These claim to be 100% silk lashes. They got these taped up like, I don't know why, but these are also 3D lashes by 3D Volume Lash. No, Miss 3D Volume Lash. If you're an OG subscriber and you watched my first Get Ready With Me, these are the lashes that I used. I love these lashes. You can't go wrong with these. And what's crazy is that when I first tried them on, I hated them. Last but not least, I have these Wondercat lashes by Eben New York. Y'all know the edge control brand? Yeah. These are my first time trying these. I didn't even know they made lashes. So yeah, they're 100% real mink style. And I picked these because they have their lashes named by months, and I was born in August, so I just picked the style August. These are super soft, I can say that. Oh my God. These are crazy dramatic. Like, they look heavy, but they don't feel heavy. But they are long, so they're touching my eyelids. I feel scary with these on, but they're pretty, honestly. My friend Ebony would love these, I think. Let me put my regular lashes back on. Woo. All right, so y'all, that's it for this video. I'm back in the lashes that I started with. So yeah, these are definitely my favorite. And again, these are the C Curl 03 from I Envy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and found some lashes that you like. I will be linking all of these down below if I can find the links. I did get all of these in store from 2 different beauty supply stores, so hopefully I can find the links for them. So yeah, if you liked today's video, please give this a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload.
Ooh.